In this video, we're given a water tank in the shape of a cone, has diameter 4 meters and height 5 meters. If the height of the water is increasing at 2 meters per minute, find the rate at which the volume of water is changing when the height of the water is 2 meters. So let's write down what we're given. We're given that the height is 5 meters and the radius is 2 because the diameter is 4. We'll call the water height h, and we know that the water is increasing at 2 meters per minute. So that's going to be our dH over dt. So we want to find dV over dt when h is 2 meters. So the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. We want to relate the radius of the water to the height. So if we have our cone here, the whole cone has a height of 5 meters and the radius is 2 meters. But we want to have the cone have height, or the water to be 2 meters. And so we want to now relate it. So what we'll do is have the radius of the water, let's say the radius with the water divided by the radius, divided by the height of the water. And that's going to equal the radius of the cone over the height of the cone. Okay, so the radius of the cone is 2. The height of the cone is 5. So we have that little r, the radius of the water, little h, height of the water is r over h. That's going to equal 2/5. So then we can solve for r, r to be 2/5 h. So now we can substitute it into the formula over here for volume. Because the idea is we have two variables. Can we get it down to just one variable? So we plug in r equals 2/5 h and end up with 1/3 pi times quantity 2/5 h squared times h, which is 4 pi over 75 times h cubed. Now, we want to take the derivative with respect to t. So we're going to take the derivative 4 pi over 75 h cubed with respect to t. We first take the derivative normally. So we bring down the power 3, multiply by 4 pi over 75 to get 12 pi over 75 times h squared. And then we take the derivative of h with respect to t. Now, the derivative of h with respect to t was given to us as 2. The height also given as 2. So we plug it in. We have dv over dt equals 4 pi over 25 times t squared times 2, which is 32 pi over 25 meters cubed per minute. And that's our final answer.